My name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're continuing our video series designed to educate the public. We're going to be talking about some custody issues, so please subscribe to our channel. Today we want to talk about how to avoid the custody drama. Let me say this about that. There is going to be drama when the parties cannot agree on the custody of the kids. It's a very emotional issue. Of all the things that the parties may fight about, the kids is probably going to be real high on the list, and one might well expect that there will be drama associated with determining where the kids should live. One of the parties may feel, for example, that they're losing out on everything, and the other party's trying to take everything from them, including their family, so they may fight hard for the kids. This is in part why you have a lot of drama around custody. One thing you've got to do is prioritize the best interest of the children. You got to do it because, number one, that's how the court's going to determine who gets the custody anyway. So you might as well prioritize the things that the court prioritizes so you're all on the same page. And that way you focus your energy in the litigation on the things that are important to the court. But number two, focusing on the best interest of the children may cause you to realize, you know what, I may want the custody and I may want that person in the set never see the kids again, but from the standpoint of the children, maybe that's not what they want. Maybe it's not in their best interest. Maybe they need a father figure. Maybe mom provides some value that the children need. If you look at it from the perspective of the children, it is likely that you might well take a different position on the custody. Now, sometimes people will say, I am looking at it from the children. Mom's a drug addict and an alcoholic. It's not good for them to be exposed to that. Dad's a criminal who consorts with known felons. It's not good for the children to be involved in that, and I am considering the best interest of the children. And that may be. And in the individual case, it could come out that on the facts of that situation, it may be best to take away the child from that parent. But, it's the kind of thing that you have to do it on a case-by-case basis, but always remember, you've got to figure out what's in the best interest of the kids. In communicating your desire to embrace what's in the best interest of the children, it's important to have open and respectful communication. You've got to have those lines of communication open between you and your ex so that you can work out a favorable custodial arrangement and maybe avoid some of the trauma. In other words, let's say you want to take away the kids because, he's a drug addict and an alcoholic. All right. It's not likely to tell the guy, look, I'm taking away your kids because you're an alcoholic. He's going to say, I don't have an alcohol problem. I never drink around kids, whatever. But if you have an open communication and you say, look, I'm concerned about the custody situation because I'm worried, you do drink on the weekends. Last time you came over, you had a few too many. I'm worried about the safety of the children. Can we agree to limit the alcohol to this? Or that the kids will stay with me during a certain period of time. So, open communication may result in avoiding the custody drama, and sometimes it may result in being creative about what the parenting time schedule will be. Because, the court has a cookie cutter thing. You have the kids this time, you have alternating weekends, alternating holidays, you see the kids Wednesday night from 6 to 9. The court has a cookie cutter thing. But you may be able, given the situation, to sit down with your ex and work something out creative. Be open with the communication, work out a creative solution, and maybe everybody will be happier for it. If you have any questions about that, reach out, and we'll be glad to help you out.